Guys, today we are going to the shop again to fix on my E36 sedan 325. So let's hop in my daily E46 and go there. Let's see if this car starts. Oh, yes. Okay, so 1 out of 3 cars starts. That's nice. So now let's go to the sedan and see if that starts. Today I'm going to change the battery and the thermostat. And yeah, it was actually a little bit hard starting it in the previous episode, but it did start in the end. So today I am hoping with a new battery it's going to start fast, I hope. And I have actually not had the time to edit those videos, but lately I have actually been going to some track days with my E46 actually. So I am going to post, edit and get those videos online pretty soon. That was actually pretty fun. It was on Ice Lake, so that was pretty fun. That was Ice Lake one time and a local track the other time, which it was seriously very fun. So I haven't, as I said, I haven't had the time to post those videos, but very soon they are coming. So let's go and see how the E36 is doing. Yeah, by the way, just to update you guys, the 325 Cabrio is currently also parked near the shop, but the heating system is not working, so that's the first priority to get that to work, so I don't get ice on the windows and stuff like that, so I actually can drive it. So yesterday I went to like a 30-40 minute drive to get a blower motor resistor, but that didn't work. So now the next thing is to change the blower motor itself, and hopefully that will work. I don't know, but I hope so. So pretty soon I can start driving the Cabrio as well as the sedan. And now it's weekend, but I think I will get plates on the E36 sedan pretty soon, so I also can start driving that on the road. That'll be pretty fun to drive something else than just this, my daily diesel E46. Even though this is a nice car to have as a daily, no doubt about that. But it's nice to drive a straight 6 as well, M50, going strong. Okay, we are here. So as I said, we're going to change the thermostat and the battery today. So there's the brand spanking new battery, and let me get some focus on that. That's right, that's the specs, 12 volts, 628. I don't know what that means, whatever. That was the one recommended. And we got thermostat right there. So what we need to do, we're gonna take the Embraco right there and dismount the fan, and then it's like 3 10mm bolts getting this out, and then that's it, and just loosen up those, and that's it. And then fill with coolant again, and then jack it up here, I think, so we will get the radiator higher, so we will get all the air out of the system and bleed this real nice so it doesn't overheat. I also need to mount something over here so I don't get the open filters, because that's not so good. But yeah, let's begin with taking the fan off and take it from there. Probably there will be some water splashing out, but the reason I'm changing it is because it doesn't open. When I started it the other day, there was water coming in here, but nothing in this hose. So I need to change the thermostat so it opens, so it goes all the way through the system. There is no thermostat here. Thermostat is in, hose clamps are tightened, and now it's just a matter of filling some more coolant. I have bought more coolant and I will mix it with water and battery. It's pretty funny that I was supposed to change the thermostat, but there wasn't any thermostat. Seriously, there was no thermostat in there, so. But now there is. Power! Ground! What you want to do is like that. It doesn't start. Why? New battery, why? Okay, I don't understand. I got a brand spanking new battery and it doesn't start. So I tried with the booster again. Maybe the battery isn't so healthy as I thought it was. I don't know. Maybe it needs to be charged. Maybe it needs to be charged for the first time or something. I don't know. Let's try with the booster. This is fully charged and now it's like directly into the engine bay. So let's try and maybe it will fire now. Okay, it's getting a little bit high. Let's bleed the system. Now the car is higher here. Let's check. Yeah, that's nice. It's a little bit above actually. Okay, I tried to bleed the system and I thought I did it really good. I jacked the car up and I got the air out of there. But still, the temperature is way too high. I don't get it. It's very high. It was even worse than it was yesterday. So I don't get that. Why is it so... It's here still. No good. Okay, so the thermostat is changed and the car starts as I told you, but I think the water pump is broken because it still overheats quite a lot, but now it has cooled down, so let's take it for a short drive around and see if that helps. Maybe it just needs more air, I don't know. We need to find out if it is the water pump, and if it is, I need to change that later. I don't have the time today, but let's take it for a short drive. Hopefully it will start again and yeah, see how it behaves. Jalla. Jalla. Kurva. let's do it for you guys. Let's hear the rev limiter, how it sounds. Oh yeah, it's a good sound. Here's the temperature. Let's see if it goes higher or if it's actually okay. Maybe it was because I had the bleeding screw or something open. Maybe that was why it's overheating. It was overheating. I don't know. But yeah, it's not in the best condition, but I wouldn't say it's in the worst either. Yeah. Temperature is going a little bit up, not too much, but a little bit. So I'm just gonna let it stay on idle and see if it remains on there or if it goes anything more. Maybe I just need to bleed it a little bit better. Maybe that's it. But the engine runs and it's going quite well. It started really easily also, so that was nice. So yeah, car is starting to shape up a little bit. That's nice. Yeah, great success. Anyways, the BMW, which you see right there, is we're gonna leave that for today, and I think we not need to change the water pump because the temperature was really stable, so that's really nice. But anyways, I hope you liked the video and like my content, and I will see you in the next video.